Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Venmo payment private. So if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'm outside the US and I cannot access Venmo at the moment. So as we said, if you want to make a Venmo payments private, of course, all you need to do, first of all, is log in into your account if you don't have an account yet. And if you don't have an account, just go and log in into it. So once you logged in into it, of course, you would have to, or you'd like to have it downloaded. So just go into it and of course how to make your Venmo information private, which means of course to make Venmo payments private. So basically here is a visual explainer on how to turn the private settings on your Venmo payments history and future transactions. So I'll not play the video for copyright reasons, of course. So all you need to do, just click on the Me tab, as you can see at the bottom right corner. Once you click on the tab, click on the settings gear icon. Once you do so, click on privacy. Afterwards, you will need to go and change the default privacy settings. As you can see, you can select your default privacy option for all future payments. You can also change it for each payment individually, and these settings don't apply for groups. Everyone in a group can see a member activity and payment. So all you need to do, just choose private, which will be visible to sender and recipients only, and that's how you can make your payment private. So yeah, once you do so, all you need to do, of course, you can go to make also like the past Venmo payments private. You can click on past transactions as well. Sorry, then click on change all to private, and of course that's how you make your Venmo payments private and also your past transactions private as well. So that's going to be for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.